Assalamu alaikum. This is Rashid, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you that how you review full screen mode in MS Excel 2013. So this is very basic thing because we are working on a beginning course. So I'm going to and I'm trying to cover all the basic things. So for full screen mode you just need to come up here, and from here you will select that option, auto hide ribbon, and it will be like this. The tabs and the sub tabs will be gone. So this is the way by which you can, yeah, there is another way. Let me discuss with you. Show the tabs. Firstly you just need to come in you just need to uncheck heading and uncheck formula bar. Okay, after doing that you just need to come up here, and from here you just need to click on auto hide ribbon, and it will be like this. Okay, it's showing the full screen mode in MS Excel 2013, and it's just like it just seeing like a software. So this is the way by which you can review the full screen mode in MS Excel. So this is all for this tutorial, and one more thing, that is you just need to subscribe my channel for more videos, and there is my Facebook page, and link is /my e tutorial, and this is my Facebook page. So thank you so much for time, and this is all for this tutorial. Thank you so much.